Hi y'all, welcome to the party. Today we have a very exciting video. We have the July 2018 Boxycharm. We are going to unbox this and do a try on for y'all. But before we get into the video, I want to say a personal thank you to Sierra for the messages that you have sent me. You have really absolutely touched my heart. It meant the entire world to me, and I just wanted to say thank you so much. So without further ado, guys, let's just get into this unboxing. Okay, so for most of y'all know what Boxycharm is, but for those of y'all that don't, it is a monthly subscription box makeup. You usually get 5 to 6 full-size products depending on how generous they are feeling that month. It is just a great way to get makeup for a reasonable price. Mostly everything in the box is usually over $20, so it's a very good deal. On the pamphlet we have Wonder and Pharmacy coupons, so use those if you need to. And then on the inside, this month's is road tripping. So let's see what we got into the box, y'all. So the first thing that we have is the Needles No More No Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. It says to use it after your eye cream, which I did do, of course, off camera, and it is very cooling. I would like to try it a little bit more before I see if I like it or not, but it really was very cooling and it's very thick. I'll show you what the consistency is. And it's orange. I kind of figured it to be blue, but it's orange. And it's a very thick consistency. And if you want to purchase this, it is actually $42. So this alone is $42 and the box is $21, so y'all calculate the difference. The next product I have gotten in my box is the Shellac. This is the Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. It's cream. And on one side you have a brush, and then you screw this off. You have the product on the bottom like this. This retails for $26, so I'm going to use this first. Let's see how it works. Okay, so we're just gonna dip in here like so. It is very difficult. Like, it's only hitting the tip of the brush, it's not hitting the whole brush. So I'm not really liking this as of right now, because it's hard to get the product out and the brush is very thick. But let's give her a try. Well, it's definitely a good color for me. And it is creamy. It feels a little waxy, but it's filling in my brows very quickly. I don't know if y'all can see that, but this is very messy. I'm not sure if I really like this. So this product is a no for me. Guys, I'm gonna go finish my eyebrows and I'm going to set prime bronzer on my face, and then I will be right back. Okay, so I did use this on my other eyebrow. I do like the color of it. It's just hard to actually get the brush into here, but maybe if I were to use a smaller brush, I would be able to use it better. I did use this and then I went in and tight lined with my Benefit Brow. That product's iffy for me. I'm not quite sure if I really like it or not. The next thing that I have in my box, Desert Rose a Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. So let's open it up. And it comes with a mirror. And this is what it looks like. Oh, it's such a beautiful color. Oh, and then you lift it up and there's a brush in there. Look at that. How convenient. I mean, I'll be honest, I'll probably never use the brush, but it's still cute. It looks like it's very pigmented. Ooh. Oh, man. Oh, guys, that's bright. No, 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 no. So I'm gonna go in with my beauty sponge and try to get some of that pigment out of there. Okay, now it's not so bad. It is just a little bit, but not that bad. It's a beautiful color, but it's very pigmented, so watch out for that. Okay, so the Note blush, it is designed to work with all skin types. This Luminous paraben-free blush adds natural color to your cheeks while preventing dryness. with its argan oil infused formula. This retails for $11.99. So for this month's box, this is what I was most excited for. This is the Crown Pro eyeshadow palette. This retails for $29.99. It's made up of rich warm tone shades. This creamy high pigmented palette gives you exactly what you need to create infinite flawless eye looks. There's 4 shimmer shades and 6 mattes. Guys, it does come with a little plastic thing, and it also comes with a mirror, so you can take that off. As you can see, I've already played with it. I couldn't keep my hands off of it, and I figured for today I'm just gonna do something simple, something easy, and if y'all would like to see a tutorial, a different tutorial using this palette, I can definitely do that for y'all. But today I kind of want to just go grungy. Like, I just want this full blown out warm smoky, I just smoke it out looking grungy. Let's get this party started. So the first shade I'm going to dip into is this shade right here. So far this is blending very, very easily. So for this I'm using my Morphe R40, and like I said, I really want to take this out and smoke it out. Alright, next I'm going to be dipping into this shade right here. And this is on a Morphe 518. I'm going to keep this one a little bit further down into the crease. And we're just going to go back and forth and smoke this out. Next, I'm going to dip into this shade right here. Guys, these shadows are definitely pigmented. And I'm just going to put this right here into the crease. And a little bit onto the lash line. I'm going to take that same shade and I'm just going to pack this all over my lid. Oh, there's a little bit of fallout. Okay, y'all be careful. There is a little bit of fallout, as I said. I'm going to go back in with that 518 brush and blend this all together. Not taking it too high because we still want some of that orange warm brown to pop through. I'm then going to go in with this dark shade right here. And I'm just going to take a Morphe 506 and I'm just going to lightly hit my outer V. Just to darken that up just a little bit and give it just a little bit more dimension. So I'm going to take that same color and put it on my waterline as close as I possibly can. Back with my 506, I'm going to dip into this shade right here. Don't mind my funny faces, guys. And then to finish it off, I'm going to go back in with this one and just kind of blend that out just a little bit more. So we were going grungy. We're going to go grungy smoky. For brow bone highlight, I'm going to use this and also in my inner corner. Just a little bit of smidget there. I'm actually going to take some more of the Rodeo Drive and wet my brush, and then I'm going to put that in my inner corner. I do want it just a little bit brighter. We are so grungy, we do need some kind of spark going on here, and that shadow wasn't really doing it. And there we go. Okay, so all in all, guys, I love this palette. I love it so much. It blends so easy. The pigment on it is just absolutely stunning. I know that a lot of people have these colors in their collection already. This palette, this is probably going to be my new travel palette. 8 shades, $32. Subscription, $21 for all of it. What we gotta do? Okay, so the next thing and the final thing that we have here in our box is the Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. Looks like this. I love the packaging. The packaging's beautiful. This retails for $24. It is award-winning black and intensity glossy mascara that will bring your lashes to new heights, literally. It volumizes, lengthens, strengthens, and conditions your lashes while using a combination of gentle ingredients. Whew, guys. So let me curl my lashes real quick. The wand has like some kind of curvature to it. It's really weird, but I love the wand. I love these kind of wands. Let's see how long we can get these babies. And don't mind my funny faces, guys. Okay, so far I am very impressed. The only thing that I don't know as of right now is if it runs, which I hope it don't, because this is some very good mascara. Kind of reminds me of my Light Camera Lashes by Tarte. But if a mascara runs, then that's a no-go for me. Okay guys, you can stop here, and that would be that. Oh, it's so sweaty, it's so hot up here. I had to turn off the air conditioner because if you don't, you can hear it. Oh, these microphones pick up everything. What I'm gonna do is I am going to go, like I say, you can finish here and this would be the finished look, but you know me, I'm extra and I gotta go throw on my lashes. So I'm going to put on Lilly lashes and Mink Miami, and then I'll put on some lipstick and I'll be back to wrap up this video. Okay guys, there she is. This is the final look, and I wanted a grungy smoky eye and it performed. Good job, Crown. So just a quick run over. Luminizer cream, depuffing cream, we have $42. Crown brushes, we have $32. Guys, I love this thing right here, it's my favorite. Eyebrow cream stuff, not a fan of, $26. Okay, love the blush also, it is $11.99. Beautiful color, very pigmented. Watch out because it's pigmented. Love this stuff. This is the Wonder Beauty mascara. This retails for $24. Guys, that's it. In this box we only have 5 things, so I really hope that y'all enjoyed this video. Also, if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you have not joined the party, y'all go ahead and do that. It's down below with the little red button. Y'all know what to do. Join the party. Okay, sorry, I'm acting crazy. Also, before I leave, I would like to say that do something nice for somebody today. Be kind, show love. Y'all do one act of kindness at a time, because you might be the only Jesus that somebody sees today. So y'all do that for me. Leave me some comments down below. I love y'all, and I will see y'all again soon.